Hey y'all, this is Tina. I hope everybody's had a great weekend, and I hope everybody has a great week this week. Sorry it's been a minute. Um, I've been through a rough couple of days. Sorry I haven't shared my DT kit yet. But that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try to make this a quick video, and then I'll be posting another video, hopefully later this afternoon, of a project that I just completed. Anyway, this is going to be my design team kit for ks4u.net for October. And I do apologize that I am late getting it out, but like I said, it's been last week was a very rough week for me, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna bring my camera down just a little bit. I'm sorry, I thought I was ready, and okay, maybe that's better. Sorry about that. So maybe this will be a closer view. First of all, some of this was my design team kit, and part of this was some of the purchases that I made. This is a really pretty, let me see if I can tilt this. I'm sorry, y'all. Hang on just a second. I'm so sorry. I got to be able to see what I'm doing to make sure I'm in camera here. Okay, sorry. This is some brown lace. I still can't see what I'm doing, y'all. Sorry. Brown trim that I got for a project I want to do. Sorry if you can't see that very well. This is so pretty. I put this piece of paper down so maybe you could see it better. Okay, that's one of the trims that I got. This other trim, I don't think I've had this one before, but it's really, really pretty. I'm going to flip this. I'm sorry I wasn't better organized. It's been rough, y'all. This is another trim. This is beautiful. I don't think I've had this before. I love the shimmer on it. It's very, very pretty. Got that one to play with. This one I have had before. It's one of my favorites. I use this for dangles all the time. Love it. You can cut these apart and have them individual dangles, or I just like using them just as is. They're really pretty to layer. That's gorgeous. One of my favorites. Hope y'all can see that. This one I think it's new, or either I haven't ever had this one. It's very, very pretty. It's got that little shimmer in there too. It's very pretty. Would go pretty with this one. So I think this is a new one for me. This next one, this is another new one for me. It's very pretty. It also has that little shimmer. It's very, like these are very textural. So they can be used a lot of different ways, layering or just different ways. Use your imagination. Those three are very pretty. Move those aside. And this one I have had before. I love using this for dangle and pockets. This is a very long one. It's gorgeous. You've probably seen me share this one before. It can be cut apart and used separately. You could get a lot of different, if you wanted to make these thinner, you could cut them across here and have 4 or 5 rows or however many rows. It's very versatile. You could do a lot with this. I love using this when I need a deep pocket because it's, you put this across your page and it's an instant pocket that you can tuck lots of goodies down in. It's very pretty. Okay, I'm going to show you some appliques. I'm going to turn it this way. This is gorgeous. I'm not sure if this is the one I had before, but I think this is the one I had before. This one might be the one I used on my pillow. I can't remember. Anyway, this is gorgeous. It's got the pearls. It's got the sequins. All the little pearl beads. And then you have your dangle at the bottom, which is very, very pretty. So thank you, Julie. I know I didn't order this again, so this was a gift from Julie. So thank you, Julie. I will definitely be using this in another special project. Here's a pink, pretty pink. This is a really long one. It has the little sequins to make it sparkle. And you know how I love to cut these apart and use these, you know, individually. You can get so many different little appliques out of just this one big applique. So that's a great way to make them last a while. Use them in different areas, different projects. Sorry I'm shaky this morning, y'all. Still sipping coffee, but it's my nerves. My nerves are just really, really shot lately. This is very pretty. This one has the little pearls. It's got the little 3D flowers. This one could also be cut apart and used separately, different ways. Another baby pink. Very pretty. This one I ordered. This is one of her new ones, and it's gorgeous. And I wanted to play with this this just screams wintertime to me. It is just beautiful. This will be going in my winter journal. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick that up, but it has little sparkles like snowflakes. Reminds me of just like snowflakes glistening on the branches. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. Can y'all see that sparkle? Maybe a little bit. It's really gorgeous. I just love, love, love this. And this also could be clipped apart and used in different areas, which is probably what I'll do. Although I do love the overall piece. It's really beautiful. Love this. Love it, love it. Okay, that's it for the laces and the appliques. And now I'm going to show you some bling. These I've had before, which are some of my favorites. I always use these up as soon as I get them. I'm going to lay them all out, and then I'll bring them up and show them to you individually. And I'm not going to open each bag because some of these, of course, I've got more than one. Got some little flat back pearl and rhinestone here. It's very pretty. These are one of my favorites that I've had before. I use these quite a bit. And also these I've had that I use a lot. Very versatile. And I can't remember. I don't think I've had these before. These are something that I want to try new. They're very pretty. They don't have the pearl. They just have an extra bling in the center. It's very sparkly. Looks like a snowflake. I'll bring it in closer in just a second. Let's see. This one is just like that last one, except for these are in gold. They're just like these, but they're gold. These little bags are so fiddly. Okay, I think that's okay because I had 2 bags of those. Okay. I think I've gotten, let's see, I have 2 bags of these, 2 bags of those, and a bunch of those. Okay, that's that, and that's that. Okay, one more, and I had 2 bags of those. Okay. Last thing here is the chain, which is, oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So pretty. Don't know if that's picking that up, but this is pink. The pink chain. So pretty. I hope that's going to pick that up so y'all can see all of that goodiness. Okay, I'm going to start with these. We have the silver one over here, and this one has the gold. Sorry, they're sliding. I hope that's picking up. Very pretty for your flower centers, or just to accentuate something special. So those come in gold and silver. And I believe you get a pack of 4. Yeah, you get a pack of 4. So those go there. You get a pack of 4 in this one also, which is very similar, although it has the pearl in the middle, and these are with the silver background. I'm not sure if she offers these in gold, but I just got the silver. Very pretty. Those came in a pack of 4. The bows, as I said, are one of my favorite. Now these came in a pack of 2. But they add a big punch with just one. They are so beautiful and they sparkle so pretty. So I got 2 packs of those. And these also come in a pack of 2. These are gorgeous in the middle of your flowers. 2 packs of those, and these are very versatile that you can just pop anywhere for some added bling and sparkle. So pretty. Now these came in a pack of 4 also. And then I have my chain, and I can't remember how much I got, but I got a lot. What is it? This may be 2 yards or something in this chain. So pretty to outline your pictures, to outline a page. You could make Christmas ornaments, any kind of decoration you want to add a little bling. So pretty. So this is it for my design team kit for October, and so I hope to get busy with some of this new stuff, working on it next, and I will be starting on some Christmas projects. And like I said, I will be back to share with you later today a project that I just got finished that started out as just a play, and I ended up making a whole book, and I think it's super cute. It's very fun. It is a junk journal. I used a lot of repurposed items, and it's folly colors, and it has a lot to do with everything to do with autumn. So I'm going to come back and share that in a bit on a separate video. And I did want to announce, if anybody is interested, I am taking special orders now for Christmas. If you have anything that you would like to have handmade in any specific color or theme, you can send me an email or comment on this video, and I will be glad to work with you. And you can give me the amount that you'd like to spend, and I will work with you on fixing a special gift for you. And be sure and go and visit Julie at ksforyou.net for any craft supplies you might need for yourself or to gift somebody. And I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see y'all back in a bit. Thanks. Bye.